List of things needed to create 3D models using SketchUp and exporting to Imvu. 1. SketchUp 13. 2. Imvu Classic version. 3. Merlin's Toolkit 2014. 4. Meshout v04 Full. To find SketchUp 13, search through Bing or Google. The files needed can be found on Barrow Victory homepage on Imvu. Also, Barrow Victory has free 3D models that can be downloaded on 3dwarehouse.sketchup.com. Installing Merlin's Toolkit. The file you download from Camelot should be saved to a non-Google folder. The best folder to save it into is the Downloads folder provided the operating system. Using Merlin's plugin installer, MPI. Note, you can only use MPI to install Merlin's Toolkit if you are using SketchUp 8 Maintenance Release 2 to SketchUp 13. Select the plugin's Merlin's plugin installer install zip package option and then use the window MPI opens to locate / select the merlins_toolkit.zip file you downloaded from Mediafire. After the MPI completion dialog pops up, select the plugin's Merlin's plugin installer open extension manager option and look for the Merlin's Toolkit entry in the panel on the right and place a tick in the checkbox to the left of its name. Manually installing Merlin's Toolkit. Step 1. Unpack / unzip merlins_toolkit.zip into a non-Google folder. This will give you two files, merlin.rb and readme.txt, and one folder, mt_toolkit. Step 2. Copy merlin.rb and the mt_toolkit folder into the SketchUp plugins folder. In Windows Explorer, open the folder you unpacked merlins_toolkit.zip into, then right-click on the merlin.rb file and the mt_toolkit folder and select Copy. Locate and open the Programs Files folder if you have a 32-bit operating system, or the Programs Files, x86, folder if you have a 64-bit operating system. Locate and open the Google folder followed by opening up the Google SketchUp N folder, where N is the version of SketchUp you are using. For V8 it is Program Files /Google /Google SketchUp 8. The same applies for Program Files /Google /Google SketchUp 13. Paste here. Once you have the SketchUp folder open, the Plugins folder should be the sixth entry in the directory. Open that folder and paste the merlin.rb file and mt_toolkit folder into it. The operating system may jump in with a dialog box requiring you to issue a continue command to allow the files and folder to be added. If you have any other Merlin's plugins installed, the operating system may also ask for permission to merge the mt_toolkit folder with one that already exists in the SketchUp plugins folder. Note: SketchUp only loads plugins on startup, so it should never be open, running, when manually installing or removing plugins. Step 3. Open up SketchUp and check to see that Merlin's Toolkit appears under SketchUp's Camera, File, Draw, and Tools menus.